For 2022, I think it's time that a few things finally get implemented in every new plugin. I also created a poll in the community tab of this channel. A few interesting suggestions were made there, so I will include them as well. Let's start with a hot debated one, and that is an option to switch between measured behavior and optimized behavior of analog emulating plugins. Let's say an option to enable correct behavior. In the video I did on the Brainworks SSL 4000E versus the Waves EV2, there was a lot of discussion if a plugin needs to be correct or not, and I think an option between correct behavior, which matches with what is on the dials, and how an analog device is measured will be the best of the two worlds. As an excellent example, I will mention the AudioThing Alborosi, which does exactly that. It has the choice between measured and original, so that shows that it can be done. This one was brought up in the comments of the poll, an option to have an Autogain on every new plugin. This will be really useful to have on every plugin, so the output of a plugin matches the original audio at the input. You can get a false perception because a change within the plugin can make the output louder. So an Autogain will give a true, honest comparison, in LUFS if possible. This one is related to the previous one, no more sneaky boost of the output volume. I have encountered this with a few plugins, and this falsely makes a plugin sound better because the louder is a better trap. In 2022, it's time that every plugin gets proper anti-aliasing options. I personally don't really care, as long as it sounds good I'm happy, but I know that a lot of users really want this. These anti-aliasing options can be done with a proper filter or with oversampling. A lot of plugins already do this, but mention it when the plugin has the option. This will save a lot of annoying plugin doctor discussions. The final one is the most important for me and also for a lot of users. Every plugin needs a rescalable user interface. Really, there's no excuse in not having the ability to resize how big the plugin will be on screen anymore. In the 2 years I run this channel, I was hoping it was already implemented on every new plugin by now, but alas. Last year there were still plugins who were hard to read on 4K screens and even on QHD screens. Make a rescalable interface on every new plugin, and if possible also do it retroactively on existing plugins like for instance Waves has done. The Waves method is not perfect, but at least it's more user-friendly. Probably you will have a few more suggestions, just leave it in the comment and we'll discuss about it. In the meantime, make sure you watch the video which is displayed on screen and linked in the comments. It will show you the most useful plugins of 2021 in my opinion. I'll see you in that video.